CCT0161. How much latent heat is required to boil 1 pound of water to 1 pound of steam? On my left is a standard chart indicating how we can change water from state to state by adding heat energy to it. Let's look at the very bottom left-hand corner. All the way down here, we've got a block of ice, 1 pound's worth. If that ice is below 32 Fahrenheit, we need to add sensible heat to it first so that we can raise its temperature up to its melting point, which is 32. When we get to 32 Fahrenheit, we're going to add 144 BTUs of latent heat energy to it in order to get it to change state from 1 pound of solid to 1 pound of liquid. Then we once again add sensible heat, the kind that makes the temperature of that water rise all the way up until you hit 212 Fahrenheit, the boiling point of water. If we can get to the boiling point, then that 1 pound only needs another 970 BTUs to get it to change state into 1 pound of steam. The answer to the question is C. 970 BTUs of latent heat is required to boil 1 pound of water to 1 pound of steam.